In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Trust Wallet. It's going to be a full guide video, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you in this video. Now, when it comes to transferring crypto from Binance to Trust Wallet, you need to be very careful, right? When it comes to sending payments, right? Sending crypto from your Binance to Trust Wallet. If you open up a Trust Wallet, there's a whole lot of cryptocurrencies here, right? There's a whole lot of them. And before you send crypto from your Binance to Trust Wallet, you need to come onto your Trust Wallet and know the crypto you want to be sending, like the crypto you want to be sending to, right, from your Binance. So let's say if you want to send USDT BIP20 from your Binance to your Trust Wallet, come on here, type in any crypto you want to type in, right? So this is USDT. So if you look at USDT now, there's a whole lot of networks here. You need to be very careful when it comes to sending cryptocurrencies to your Trust Wallet, right? Because there's a whole lot of networks. So if you look right here, you're going to see Ethereum network, BIP20, Tron. So you need to copy the right network, right? You need to copy the right network. So if you type in USDC, you're going to still see the same, right? So you need to copy the right network. So let's say if you want to send USDC Sol from your Binance to Trust Wallet, I'm going to come on here. So this is the USDT Sol, right? Click on it. If you click on the receive, you're going to be able to copy your wallet address. Now go to your Binance. Come on here, type in USDC. Right? So if you click on withdraw, if you click on this, you're going to see network. So you can see find the USDC Sol, right? To avoid you having any problems with your phones, right? You need to be very sure of the network you're sending any cryptocurrency to. So once I've copied any address from my Trust Wallet, you need to confirm the network you're copying it from, right? So this is it. So you need to be very careful with the network and with what you're sending. So to copy to do this is not really hard, right? It's not really hard. You just need to be careful. So whatever crypto you're sending, just okay. If you want to send any crypto from your Binance, your Trust Wallet, come on here, search the name of the crypto you want to send, right? The name of the crypto. Come on here. If you're sending Sol, click on this, right? Click on this withdraw, select the right network. So click on this, go to your Trust Wallet. If you want to send Sol now, come on here, type in Sol, right? Click on the receive, copy the address, come on your Binance, paste the address here, right? Do the withdrawal, do everything that is necessary. Once you have done it, you're going to do the verifications, right? So this still applies for every cryptocurrency here, right? So get the right address, get the right network, you are good to go. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. If you have any questions, do want to share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm going to see you in the next video.